Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Scanlon, real estate agent with the Plowman team, and today I want to show you around this newest condo we have for sale, 70 Shipway Avenue here in Newcastle. This is a great location. You have everything so close to you, and take a look at this view right from your own porch. Alright guys, now we're inside this 3-bedroom, 2-washroom condo. This is the biggest floor plan they have in this building. So yeah, I'm going to show you around a little bit. First, we're in this living room area. It's huge. Tons of natural light, huge windows, great amount of space for you, your friends, your family. As we walk through a little bit further, we walk into the kitchen. Again, it's a huge kitchen. There's so much counter space, so much cupboard space. We have an island, we have a dining area, stainless steel appliances. This kitchen is everything you could possibly want. Here, you guys take a look at the rest. I'll meet you in the bedrooms. Alright, so now we're in this huge primary bedroom that overlooks the bay and the lake. A huge walk-in closet, a 5-piece ensuite washroom, nice bright big windows. Take a look around. Alright, so now we have 2 other big full bedrooms here. Again, this is a 3-bedroom condo. This is not a 2-bedroom plus a den. This is full 3 bedrooms. We have 2 full washrooms. Here's another full washroom here. This unit is huge and it will not disappoint you. Here, take a look around. I'm Taylor Scanlon with the Plowman team, and if you'd like to book your own private showing of this place, make sure to call that number above. And if you want to be kept informed of all the other homes we have coming up for sale, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.